Hello, people, and again, keeping in mind this whole series for Sridevi ma'am that we are come, Aniku, come. She's also, she's my budding YouTube star, and no, I want to encourage it, talent, because sometimes this whole idea of being facing the camera is also a very big thing, and I'm told, my niece is 6, but Sridevi ma'am made her debut when she was just 4 years old, but she of course was a child star, and personally I wouldn't recommend, in fact I'm told Sridevi ma'am herself was keen that her children never become child star because it's children, whatever, because it involves so much of work. So but making a guest appearance like this, that's good. That's what the last film that Miss Sridevi ma'am acted in was Mom, and oh my God, it was quite a hard hitting film. Yeah, I mean, in fact, the trailers itself were so disturbing. I mean, there was because it's loosely based on um, the, on these real life rape incidents that have taken place in, um, so I'll just say that the premise of the film was very disturbing, especially as a parent. One wouldn't want to even, uh, you know, imagine like in one's wildest nightmares any such thing. But and this is my personal opinion that what I feel is Sridevi ma'am, she played her role so well that like when she's crying on screen, like it I mean, somewhere it's as if she must have internalized her grief, because I'm told she passed away through a cardiac arrest. So I think to be a actor is difficult. Yeah, I mean, this whole taking on these emotions that are, they say that beyond a point, the mind is not able to differentiate between real and real. Like in terms of if I do some play acting of laughing, if I keep laughing beyond a point, I'll genuinely start laughing because it's like my mind, the neurons in my mind will just read it as emotion to laugh. But in the same vein, if I'm crying, when in fact it's play acting crying, beyond a point, I'll really begin to cry. So that's, I think, as an actor. So because for someone to pass away from a cardiac arrest at 54, I mean that's hardly an age to go. Yeah, I mean, her daughter's her daughter Jahanvi is yet to make her debut, so I don't know, there's almost a personal kind of grief involved, and I'm finding it difficult to shoot these videos. It's as bad as that. So but yes, the movie Mom is something that you should go and watch because it is one of Sridevi's finest performances. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.